Hi, Shalom. I am logged into the back end of your website, and you will probably notice when you log in that you have a lot more options here on the dashboard than you're used to. In order to be able to edit pages, I went ahead and changed your user settings so you have full access to your site. So hopefully you don't get lost in all of these other options. But anyway, so when you get to the dashboard, in order to edit that page, go down to Pages and click on that. And then this page, Books I'm Reading, is currently in draft mode. But what you want to do when you're editing the content of that page, don't click on just edit. You want to edit with Thrive Architect. That's the builder that we use to build your page. So then it's going to pull up in a new window. Eventually, that took a while, the builder here. And so basically, you just need to select whatever box of text. So you can, update the heading, update the author, update your little snippet here. When you want to change the link, when you, we'll see here, if I'm clicking on the link there, then I can either edit the link or unlink it. But let's say you were, let's say, I move my mic. We want to type a new sentence here, get the book here. If you typed in a new sentence and lost that hyperlink, you just double click the word that you want linked. And then at the top of your screen, there's insert link there. And then you can type in the URL of what you want. Oops. Oh, yeah. So anyway, that's how you do that. If you ever want to bold, italicize, underline, those kinds of settings or justification is there for the text. Now, changing a picture, just click on the image that's there, and then over here on the left-hand side, just click on Change Image, and that's going to bring up your media library. So I'm assuming in most cases you're going to be uploading a new file, so you'll do that there, and then you'll just upload it from your computer. And you may find that, well, you will find that every book is different in dimensions. So if a book is really small or really big for that space, you can adjust the size accordingly with this little slider. So that's how you do that. Now, I've got space here for 3 books. Assuming at some point you're going to want more than that on your page, here's how you do that. If you look at the top of the screen here, we've got breadcrumbs. Right now, see the word image is highlighted in blue. That's because that's what's selected right now. But that image is inside a column, which is inside 2 columns, which is inside a content box, which is inside a background section. And if you notice the background section, it goes all the way down to here. So the background section is that whole white space. So when you want to duplicate, when you want to add another book to the bottom of your page, what I want you to do is, I don't know whether you'd want to add it at the top or the bottom. It doesn't really matter, but either way, just select something within the bottom one, and then go back to content box and make sure that you select the content box that's around that image. Once you have the content box selected, then you can click this little icon right here, and this will duplicate that, and it'll add another one, and then you can edit what's there. Same thing if you, let's say to begin with, you only want 2 books on that page, and you need to get rid of some of them, select the content box that all of that content is in and just hit the trash can, and that'll delete that from your page. And so then now we just have 3 books. Okay, so just to review, if you want to duplicate and add another book to your list, you can select anything within that section, but then backtrack to content box, select the content box, then hit the duplicate, and then that added 1 more into your list, and the trash can will delete that. If at any point in time you accidentally, say, delete the background section or something, if you delete something and you think, oh crap, what did I do? Just don't save. Just don't click save. And then close it and start over again, and it should be back to where it was before if you accidentally make a mistake like that. But anyway, let's say you get it where you want and you like it, then you can click save. And then these 3 buttons over here on the left, click on that and then hit preview, and that'll pull it up in a new window. And then you can see what you've done. So as of right now, this page is in draft mode. Once you have your books added into that page, you can go ahead and change it to published. You would have to do that, like you could do it within Quick Edit. And you could go over here to publish. You could publish it. And then just let me know, and I can add it to your menu. Actually, I could even show you how to do that. So once you have that page published, then you need to go to Appearance, down to Menus, and you see that page is not listed right here because it's not published yet, but you will see that page here. Let's pretend that that's it, and you'll just click Add to Menu, and then it'll show up over here, and then you can click and drag it to where you want it in your menu, and then be sure to hit Save Menu, and that will be your new menu. I'm not going to save because this is a landing page and we don't want it in your menu, so I'm going to remove that. But like I said, once it is a published page, it'll show up here in your choices. Just check it, add to menu, get it positioned where you want it within the menu, and then hit Save, and then that page will be added to your menu. All right, I think that is all for now, and let me know if you have any questions. All right, bye.